Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming like a Disneyland haul, so like the stuff that I bought to bring to Disneyland. I got a few bits, I still have a tiny bit more to get, and I'm just going to show you quickly like what I got for Disneyland. So I'm going to Disneyland, I'm filming this on Monday and I'm going to Disneyland on Sunday, so just under a week. So the first thing that I bought was this backpack. I absolutely love it. I just wanted like a little backpack to put like stuff like my water, my tickets and stuff in. So it has one big pocket in here, not sure if you can see it, and there's a little zip pocket in here, and then it has the front pouch, and it's just an ordinary backpack. It's in the colour nude and I got this in Primark for €12. So this was super good, and I knew that when I was going I wanted a backpack instead of like a handbag. So that was the first thing I got. The second thing I got, and I got it in Primark as well, is I got some Mickey Mouse ears. This is like a need, and I know that if I get, these were €5, and I know if I get them in the park they'll be like so much more expensive, so I just thought I'd pick these up just because they were €5. The next thing I got clothing wise is all from Boohoo. So I got this shirt. It's a long sleeve t-shirt and it's oversized, and it just has like an old-fashioned print of Mickey. This is actually comes in like boyfriend or girlfriend matching, but the boys has like a little Mickey Mouse, like it's not big. And this is super oversized and it's long sleeve, so I thought it'd keep me warm. I actually forget how much this is, but if I remember I'll put the price on the screen. The next Disney thing I got, I mentioned this in my Boohoo haul that I just linked up. I got some more, but I'm just going to show you two things, so I'm just going to put it in the cards. I got this little yellow Mickey Mouse t-shirt, and I just thought that maybe I won't bring this because it's cropped up, but it's a cute colour. I did mention this in the haul, so that's why I'm quickly going over this. And then I got this little sleep oversized t-shirt, and it just has Eeyore on it. The next thing I also got from Primark is a set of gloves, just because it's going to be freezing. And I bought such neutral colours just so I could just pop them in my bag and they'd match any outfit. I also got some travel size products. So I have like travel size moisturizers and stuff. So I just needed like skincare and hair. So I got this travel size simple facial toner. I've never used this before, so I'm not sure how my skin's going to react to it, but I hope it's going to be good. And then I got matching shampoo and conditioner. These are the shampoo and conditioner that I love to use. So this is just a travel size version. These are 88 milliliters, so they're still under the 100 milliliters, you know, range. And then because me and my boyfriend wear contacts, I also got some travel size solution. This is the actual travel pack, and it is exactly 100 mils, so that'll do us just for 5 days, just between the two of us. I also got a memory card, but I'm using it in my camera right now. So I got a second memory card just for like backup, just in case, you know, just in case. Hopefully I'm gonna vlog in my days in Disneyland, and hopefully we might go into the city of Paris. So if you want to see those videos, stay tuned. That's pretty much all I bought. I still have a few things to get. I still have to, I don't know. I did buy more clothes that I'm gonna bring to Paris, and they're in my Boohoo haul, so if you want to just see the clothes part of this video, you can just click right into it. But that's pretty much for like the little accessories things that I got. I also got actually a tiny little tripod that I'm just gonna like, instead of like holding my camera, I'll just have a tiny tripod to hold instead. So I'm super excited, and when you're watching this I should be there, or I should be just leaving my house to go. So I'm super excited. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video.